Hello and welcome back to our English learning series. I am happy to see you again. On this channel, we help you practice listening and speaking English. Each video tells a short, simple story. We will speak slowly so you can understand and repeat after me. Today, we have a new story for you. Are you ready to practice? Let's begin. This is Mia. Mia is walking in Sunny Park. She is enjoying the fresh air. It is a busy morning in the park. People are moving around, and the park is feeling lively and active. Mia is noticing something interesting. A little dog is running very fast. The dog is carrying a small stick in its mouth. Mia is smiling as she is watching the dog. The dog is running happily across the grass and its owner is standing nearby. Now, Mia is sitting on a bench. She is drinking her coffee and reading a book. She is feeling relaxed. She is listening to the birds. The birds are singing beautifully in the trees. Nearby, a group of children are flying kites. One kite is getting stuck in a tree. Mia is helping them. She is pulling the kite gently from the tree, and the children are feeling happy. After helping the children, Mia is walking toward a small cafe near the park. She is ordering a sandwich and waiting for her order. While waiting, Mia is talking on the phone. She is smiling and enjoying the moment. Finally, Mia is eating her sandwich. She is feeling happy and calm. She is watching the people and the dogs in the park. It is a peaceful and pleasant morning. Now, let's review the new words and phrases. New words. Bench, a seat in a park or public place. Notice, to see or observe something. Carry, to hold something while moving. Gently, in a soft or careful way. Order, to ask for food or drink. New phrases. Walking in, moving along a place. Enjoying the fresh air, feeling happy outside with clean air. Helping them, giving assistance to someone. Watching the people, looking at people carefully. Great job listening. You learn new words. Listen again to remember more. See you next time. Please subscribe for more English lessons. Thank you.